Alright, what's the story? We are out in Newtown today. Heavy hit. Heavy fucking hit today. Talk about production carpentry, there you go. Full roof cut in 2 days. Joist in yesterday, roof in today. Me, Yardy, Lork and Dan Warden like a serious five-a-side. So I'm not even going to say much in this fucking video. I'm just going to bring you around and you can see the fucking work that was done. I'm not messing, we will fucking sleep tonight. I'm not messing. Some graft. So 4-inch, everything's nailed down with 4-inch, no screws, no nail guns. No, well, nailed up at the ridge. I'm going to get a young lad in over the next week to nail off the ridge. Nailed twice into the rata, 2 into the joist. Yeah, 40-degree pitch. No ladders. To be like a verge barge on the end of it, be skimmed right up to it, rendered right up to the underneath the slate. Sorry, my mind is fried from today. Just the work that we're after putting in. I'm on fumes, so I'll be going home and I'll be going straight to bed. Won't hear from me until Monday. So we'll come around as well, 400mm lower than I pitch up here. All our creepers in nice and neat. This was a handy pitch. You could stand on them joists and get the ridge as we are going. You could see in one of my videos on my story, I might throw it in this, how strong the ridge is when we do that splice. We call that the Ben Clerkin spec.
Stand out of the way.
That comes down from the north.
How strong that ridge is now?
Very neat, very tight.
How many? 2 nails?
The thing was
Yeah.
straight, so savage detail. So we come around the back. The only bit that's really left of cutting the roof, we have to sort out the fascians off it. And there's not much going to be on it because there's no barge on here, so it's literally just going to be a timber tie. We always just leave these long because if you let the people decide what they want. You can see on this house over there, they have a ladder, but then a house down the end here, there's no ladder. So I think we're going to go with that down there rather than having a 200mm soffit. So the only thing we have to do is this Velux here. So we're centered with this window down here at the moment. Well, we're not. We have to push him over a little bit. So that window is going directly here, down straight into the stage. You can see where we have it all planked out down there. Huge 1500 by 1500 skylight straight down into the stair rope. So wherever the 1500 hits from when we level up off our wall back up, we will fill that in then on Tuesday. I'm going to do a big material order now for Monday, so it'll probably get dropped here Tuesday morning, thereabouts when he puts the order in. So we'll probably be back here maybe Wednesday, give it a big hit, ready for roof for Friday, Saturday. So right, that's the crack. We're getting over here Saturday. What time is it? Fucking 3 o'clock or something. So yeah, A1.